Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a new month, which is November 2024. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me making 6 on today within 7 years. And before we get into it, I stream most of my things, seeing the real results and seeing the hard work. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. So let's get into the video. I will put it on the screen. So today, let me see. I was planning to do a short stream, but I got excited, so it took a bit longer than expected. That's okay. Tomorrow is going to be a brainstorm day. If you're not familiar with that, brainstorm day is basically adapting, um, getting rid of, adding things that don't make sense anymore, adapting things, whatever. That is basically what we've been focusing on. We're going to think about stuff like, are they working, are they not working, etc. So let's get into the languages. There's no languages currently. For Korean, I'm doing nothing aside from practicing the introduction. And the reason why is because it's not really clear to me what I'm doing. I'm planning to use an app just like the Japanese kanji app. We'll see where things will head next to the course, obviously. So I'm gonna spend time on that on tomorrow on the brainstorm day. Japanese is still we're working on the kanji and things are going well. I have no complaints. We also worked on the introduction and yeah, soon I'm going to start the course, obviously, so stay tuned for that. Let's get into the bias of today because we are back in November, which is the law of small numbers. So basically, this is a statistical area of seeing how it is and how it not is. So if you have a small example, does it represent the larger majority? Sometimes you get like these forms maybe in your mailbox or maybe email and to try to figure out what actually is going on. And what also happens maybe in a workplace or in everyday life, you see small samples and you think that is a large majority. So how are you going to prove that that is pretty consistent for the large majority? So the law of small numbers is very powerful. You can deceive people, but you can also use it in your benefit. Let's get into the most important part, which is the programming. So if you don't tune in into the stream, I show everything what I'm doing from the ground up. So yeah, we started nextjs project instead of following a project because I feel secure enough to do. It has some similarities with nextjs, and I learned the documentations the last week. So things seems to be going well. So we're gonna do that. Today we have been working on small components from a Figma file, so Figma to nextjs, and we also fixed ES linting. If you don't know what linting is, it's basically the right formatting. Well, not, there's a standard. I'm using the standard formatting for programming. Let me see what we did. Anything else? Yeah, we worked on Framer a bit on the tutorial. We focus on components and variants, which is different from the components in Next.js. It basically means that you make a component that you can reuse later on, but now in the sense of Framer, it's just a separate page and you can just visually see what you are doing. All right, so that is it for the programming. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be a brainstorm day, so stay tuned for that. And I see I don't have anything else aside from small things that I need to do that are not necessary to mention here. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me making 6 on today within 7 years, and I will see you on to the next one.